So, you're planning a trip to Valencia, Spain? Trust me, you're in for a treat. This beautiful Mediterranean city is bursting with colors, flavors, and energy you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're a culture lover, a food fanatic, or just chasing the sun, Valencia's got something for you. Let's dive in. First things first, the City of Arts and Sciences. This futuristic complex is like stepping into another world. Snap a selfie by the shimmering pools, or wander through the interactive science museum. If you love architecture, you'll be blown away by the swooping white buildings. Seriously, don't skip it. When you're ready for a change of pace, stroll into the heart of historic Valencia. The Old Town is a maze of narrow streets and grand plazas. Don't miss the Valencia Cathedral. It's home to what locals claim is the Holy Grail. Climb the Miguelete Tower for panoramic views that'll make your Instagram pop. Next up, Mercado Central. This isn't just a market, it's a feast for the senses. Fresh oranges, local cheeses, mountains of olives. Grab a bite and taste the heart of Valencia. Honestly, I could spend hours here just wandering and sampling everything. Now, if you're craving fresh air, head to Turia Gardens. This massive park used to be a river, but now it's 9 kilometers of green space cutting through the city. Perfect for a morning jog, a lazy picnic, or even renting a bike to zip from end to end. And of course, I can't talk about Valencia without mentioning the beach. Malvarosa Beach is only a tram ride away. Golden sand, gentle waves, and plenty of chiringuitos. Those are little beach bars, serving ice-cold drinks and the freshest seafood paella you'll ever taste. Speaking of paella, you can't leave Valencia without trying the real thing. Valencia is the birthplace of paella, and you'll find it everywhere. But for the best experience, book a spot at a local restaurant or even join a paella making class. Trust me, it's worth it. If you're a night owl, you're in luck. Valencia comes alive after dark. From buzzing tapas bars in El Carmen to dance clubs that keep the music going till sunrise, you'll find your groove. But if you prefer a quiet evening, just wander the illuminated plazas and soak up the magical atmosphere. There's so much more to Valencia. Festivals, street art, friendly locals, and endless sunshine. Every corner has a story, every meal has a memory. So pack your bags, bring your curiosity, and get ready to fall in love with Valencia. I promise, you'll leave with more than just photos. You'll leave with experiences you'll never forget. Thanks for joining me on this whirlwind tour. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. See you in Valencia.